friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking catfish nuggets in the oven. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So these catfish nuggets recipe is very healthy. There's no breading. I'm just using seasonings and that's it. So they eat catfish nuggets, and for my seasonings I'm using salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and you can use any seasonings you like. I also have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So first I'm going to season the catfish nuggets. So sprinkle on the seasonings and coat them on all of the sides. So I'm sprinkle on the salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And now I'm just going to rub in the seasonings to distribute them more evenly, and flip them over and season on the other side as well. So now when I season them, I'm going to put them on a baking sheet in a single layer. And they're ready to be baked. So now I'm going to put them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the timer to 20 minutes. Now the catfish nuggets are done baking, so let's take a look. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So easy to bake in the oven. It was so easy to bake these catfish nuggets in the oven, and no breading needed. They look amazing, so healthy and delicious. Let me take them out onto a plate. Perfect. They're so nicely seasoned, super easy to make. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try them. Perfectly cooked inside. They're so tender, moist, and delicious. You're going to love these baked catfish nuggets. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!